What happens when two apex predators share the same hunting grounds? Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Amazon's most formidable hunters. Today we are diving into the battle between the monstrous anaconda python and the powerful jaguar. The green anaconda is nature's perfect ambush predator. These massive constrictors can grow over 20 feet long and weigh up to 550 pounds, which is heavier than three average men combined. Don't let their slow movement on land fool you. In water, they become lightning-fast killing machines. Their unique adaptations make them virtually unstoppable in their territory. Eyes and nostrils positioned on top of their head for submerged hunting. Thermal sensing pits to detect warm-blooded prey. Incredibly elastic jaws that unhinge to swallow prey whole. Crushing constriction power exceeding 90 pounds per square inch. Stories of anacondas taking down caimans, capybaras, and even full-grown deer are well documented. Once wrapped in those muscular coils, few creatures escape. Jaguar strengths. The jaguar stands as South America's largest and most powerful big cat. Weighing up to 300 pounds of pure muscle, these spotted hunters bring an impressive arsenal to any confrontation. The strongest bite force of any big cat, an incredible some 500 pounds per square inch. Specialized skull-piercing teeth that can penetrate turtle shells and caiman armor. Exceptional swimming ability is unique among big cats. Stealth and ambush tactics have been refined over thousands of years. Unlike many predators, jaguars actively seek out caiman and anacondas as prey, diving fearlessly into rivers to hunt. Their bite is specifically evolved to pierce the thickest skulls in the animal kingdom. The showdown. When these titans clash, the battle could go either way. The deciding factors come down to environment. In deep water, the python gains a significant advantage, while on riverbanks, the jaguar's speed and agility give it the edge. Size matchup. A full-grown anaconda can overpower a young or female jaguar, while an adult male jaguar can successfully hunt medium-sized pythons. First strike. Whoever ambushes first usually wins. The python's stealth approach versus the jaguar's lightning pounce becomes the deciding factor. Wildlife researchers have documented instances of both outcomes. Young jaguars occasionally fall prey to massive anacondas, while adult jaguars have been filmed successfully hunting and killing pythons up to 12 feet long. Who do you think would win this ultimate river showdown? Comment below with your prediction. Don't forget to subscribe to Savage Paws for more untamed stories.